La número 13, chicos. Right away. Times. ¿Qué es lo que vamos a hacer? Multiplicar. But this is 2.5. Entonces, 7.25 times 2.5. Y ahí se los dejo que practiquen, chicos, por favor. Ya deberían de saber multiplicar. Multiply 5 with everything. Then, whenever you get, then you're going to put a 0 here. Well, you're going to skip, basically. Ahí está. Y luego you're going to start multiplying. Believe it or not, this is necessary for some people. Then you're going to add it, and you're going to get something. There's 3 decimal places. So you start over here. 1, 2, 3. So whatever you got, there should be 3 numbers. Aquí, mira. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe it might be 0, and it's actually one of these. Pero bueno, esta no es, porque it's way too small. Esta también es way too small. En todo caso, yo pensaría, just with a little bit of logic, that it's this one. Because it's 3 numbers. This one's just 1 number. And then there should be a 5 at the end because 5 times 5 is 25. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's my answer without multiplying. 14. All you do, chicos, bien fácil. Right away. Because I don't see any keyword that says divide. Because there's no keyword that says divide, you multiply. Así de fácil. Así de fácil. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. If you simplify, you get 1/2. So 1/2 cups. 15. What percentage of the wall was painted? We have to count how many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 are shaded, chicos. Out of how many in total? ¿Cuántos en total? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40. So what percentage? First, we can divide this right away to find the decimal and then a percentage, or we can simplify. What can we simplify by? I know I can divide by 4, but I can divide by something greater, which is 8. That will give me 3 out of 5. This is 0.6 when you divide. And that's 60% when you move it 2 times to the right and add a percentage. There you go. Papita. What decimal is equivalent to 73%? How do we turn percentage to a decimal? Easy. Quita el percentage. Put a decimal and 2 times to the left. Now, your decimal is 0.73, or you say it correctly, 73 hundredths. This is tenths, and this is hundredths. So depending on the position, the place that it's in, that's what you call it. A 17, chicos. I want you to put how many are shaded. 3 out of 10. How many are shaded? Wow, that's 1, 2, 3. So that would be 3 and 1/3. Or you can even say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 over 3. Que es bastante. This is 1/3. And this is, 3 and 3/10. Which model represents 33%? Well, the best one, chicos, for this is if you have something like this, this would represent 0.3, 0.3, if you move it 2 times to the right, is 30%. So not quite. This is 3 and 33. If you move it 2 times to the right to make it a percentage, this is 333%. So I think it's a little bit too much. Same thing with this one. The only thing, it would be 330%. This one, when you divide, is 0.33. 33 percentage. That's exactly what you want. So just, double check everything. Everything. 40%. 40%, we move it 2 times to the left. You get 0.4. That's my first answer. That's a decimal. How do you say this correctly? You say 4/10. If you simplify by 2, you get 2 out of 5. So these are my 2 answers. Boom and boom. A restaurant offered cooking classes 24 out of the 30 days. What decimal is equivalent? All you need to do, divide. Once you divide, you put the decimal right here. This one you do on your own, because this you already need to know how to do on your own. What decimal is equivalent to 17%? No manches, chicos. 1, 2. This you should also have to do on your own. And if they were asking for fraction, how do you say this? 17 hundredths. Que fácil.